This is how to use AirTM to withdraw money to your MTN in your country. I'll be demonstrating using AirTM withdraw and cash out to MTN Momo in Nigeria. Let me show you. In this video, I will use AirTM app to demonstrate how to withdraw money from AirTM and use it to fund your MTN in Nigeria. You have to have money. You can see I have little money here. You will click withdraw because we are funding your MTN in Nigeria. You will search. You click search. You will click mobile. You are looking for MTN. You can search for MTN here. Search MTN. MTN. Look at it. These are MTN of different countries. You can search for MTN Nigeria. You can see MTN Mobile Money Nigeria. You just tap it. Suppose I want to send all this money. I just type $3.99. How much do you want to withdraw? So I'm withdrawing money from here to MTN in Nigeria. You can see this is the amount I will receive, 5,756 Nigerian naira. I will receive this money in my MTN Mobile Money. All you need to do is to download your Momo, that is your MTN Mobile Money, and you ensure that you use the same phone number you use for AirTM. You use the same to register Momo. You come back to AirTM. The minimum amount you can send is $1 plus. This is the amount I will get inside my MTN Mobile Money. You click continue. So you can send this money to yourself, and you can send to a third party. If it is a third party, you just click third party and you do the registration. You add the account, the phone number of the person and his name. Then if it is your own too, if you've not done your registration, you add your MTN phone number in Nigeria, the one you use when you download MTN Mobile Money. So I will select personal. The detail will come out just like this. Then you click continue. You check the information to be sure everything is okay. When you are sure everything is okay, you just click submit request. You put your authentication. You can see the platform is currently looking for a peer that will do the transaction. You can see that I've received the money. You can now use this money. You can transfer this money to another MTN mobile app by clicking to Momo, because this is Momo. You can transfer this money to another bank in Nigeria. You can transfer this money to another African country. You can buy AirTM. You can buy data. You can pay for electricity bill, and you can use it to pay for your cable. You can do so many things. Just exploit this app. You can now transfer money from AirTM to MTN in your country. You can decide to work online and get your money directly to your MTN Momo account in your country. Don't forget to claim your free AirTM $3 sign-up bonus. All you need to do is to use the link which is below the description of this video. Another thing that is free that you need to do now: subscribe to this channel. Please click that notification bell, like this video, drop your comment. I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.